Today we're going to attempt a yoke repair. This has been sitting on my shelf for a little while and hasn't worked at all. So I decided to take a look at it, and after digging I did find a wire. I don't know if with the magnifying glass it's more visible. But I pulled this out and it is definitely not connected. So we're going to make an attempt to solder a jumper in place to see if we can bring this one back to life. The issue with these yoke wires is that they're not, they're shielded, but only just. So you have to scrape away enough of the shielding so you can get solder adhesion without destroying the wire, which is what I'm trying to do right now. It looks like it has enough, so I'm going to use this helping hand to position this jumper close enough that hopefully it'll join. That looks good. And then we'll try to get some solder and then test continuity. Almost had it. There, that's good. So now we'll check continuity back to the original post. This is where it originates. Good. Now we just have to attach it back to where it's supposed to go. So let's carefully attach this wire up over here so it doesn't hit anything. And then wrap it around. Hopefully I made this jumper long enough. I think I did. Yes. And then we're going to solder it right here. Now, to make sure that there are no shorts, we're going to hot glue this in place. So I'm actually going to grab the hot glue gun and start warming that up. This hot glue gun is named Squirtle, courtesy of my wife. I don't think we have enough to go over the top, so we're definitely going to go over this way. So let's just grab this with the helping hand, make sure it stays put, and warm up the solder over here. We're getting some nice solder. Okay. Oh, I'm actually really dumb. That shouldn't have gone there. It's supposed to go to this middle terminal. That was stupid of me. But no harm done because I haven't hot glued anything into place yet. So because it's supposed to go to this middle terminal, we can put it over there, but we're instead going to put it still where it was. Just don't want to have anything poking out where it can get hit. So we're going to put this jumper up through here actually. And then here. That'll work a little nicer, I think. Just wrap it around a little bit. nice and stable. Come on. Melt a little solder, do not fall. There we go. Now we can do an ohms check again between the terminals. What do we got over here? 28. Come on. And 26. So that is repaired. But now we have this wire. So what are we going to do with that? Going to grab I'm going to grab that and move it slightly using some tweezers. Careful not to touch any of these other ones. Just raise it out of the way a little bit. And then we're going to use the hot glue gun to encase it. That way we will prevent any accidental shorts and secure this wire. We're also going to glue it up here to make sure it stays put. It is not in any danger of getting hit by anything. Just wait for that to dry before I release it. And this is drying. Go over here where the original mounting was. Push this in a little bit. Just again to keep it nice and safe. We're going to apply hot glue here and here on top of the original hot glue. A little bit more here. Perfect. So now, with our ohms reading checked, we should be good to attempt to reinstall this on an actual monitor. And the problem is I don't think I have any convergence rings lying around, but I'll have to look for those. Thank you.